What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of NAS100 analysis today. And we're going to be picking up from where we left off yesterday in regards to where we thought market was going to open from, what we thought market was going to do, what market did do, and what we can expect moving forward. All right. So yesterday's video, what we basically talked about was where market was, right? And market was roughly around here yesterday, right? So obviously market opened and flew all the way up to this zone that I thought it was going to go, because I gave two assessments. So the first one was I believe price was going to break down from this level and head all the way down. That was assessment one. And assessment two was price was going to continue its push to the upside and then pull down from this level. Okay, so it looks like market has gone with option two, and it's gone all the way to the top of this level right here, okay, and has now begun to pull back from it, right? So let's just look at these levels at a moment, okay? Let's just look at it in detail, right? Not in too much detail, but just in detail, just to give us an understanding as to what's going on, right? So as it stands right now, we have a double top right here, okay? So I'm just going to highlight that area for you. So you have a double top right here. Okay, and then we have a double bottom right here. Okay, so there's still quite a bit of ambiguity going on in regards to what market really wants to do. Okay, I think the market's obviously trying to take us out. All of us retail traders is trying to do us dirty, but it's going to fail and we're going to win. All right, so first thing, let me just turn off these moving averages. Right. Okay, so as it stands right now, this is how everything kind of looks, right? If I leave it like this, this is how it looks, and it looks like it's broken structure, and then it's gone back into structure, and etc. But we're not going to go with all of that. We're just going to bring that down here, okay? So it's more in line, because the structure needs to be fluid, so we can adjust it until we have a real break, right? So as it stands right now, this is what market is doing. So market obviously has produced a funnel. It's now on its way down, and it's getting down to this zone over here. All right. Now it can do one or two things at this zone, right? It can push up. So it can basically push up from this level right here and head up here. So I'm just going to just get my little thingamajig. So we can push up from this zone and head back up here again, right? And then aim to get to this zone right here, okay? It could try to do that, right? Or it could just turn around and say, you know what? It wants to come back down to this zone over here, right? So these two options are available, and we're looking at this on the 15-minute. So I'm just going to bring this up to the hour, just so that we can have a better view as to what we're actually looking at. Okay, so what we now need to kind of figure out as it stands right now is, what is the likelihood of market coming down to this level right here? Okay, what is the likelihood of market coming from this level where it is right now down to this zone? Bearing in mind it will have two additional zones to get through, with this zone being really powerful. Price has gone in there a number of times, right? To this level it's only been once, and to this level it's been twice, then a breakthrough, and to this level it's been twice, and at this bottom level it's been twice. Okay, so these are things that we're going to need to think about moving forward in regards to what we're going to do when market opens, which is going to be in about what, 44 minutes, give or take. So 44 minutes market's going to be opening. At the moment I'm not really sure what I want to do, because I kind of want to put sell at this level to ride it down, right? But a part of me is like, I should just wait, because literally at this point over here I missed all of this. I'm not gonna lie to you, literally I was not even looking at my phone. I was just getting on with the day as it should be, and just doing random things. So I wasn't even keeping an eye on anything that's going on in regards to the market today. This morning when I saw it leave from this location to that location, I thought, okay, when I pick up my phone or jump onto obviously my my terminal just to have a look to see what's going on, I'm basically going to see it up there, right? And what happened was, when I turned on my phone, it had gone there and come back down here again. So I missed all of this. I missed all of this, right? Which is fine, it happens. So now I've got to figure out, at this level, is price going to reject this support level, okay, and head back up to this resistance level up here, or is it just going to break through the support level and head all the way down? So that's what I'm in two minds about that as to what to do. So guys, like, if you could just post in the comments what your plans are, how you think you're going to manage this whole area, because I kind of want to be in something, but I don't know if this is a good place to join it from, or yeah, I don't know. So I'm in the area of I'm not too sure as to what to do, because I missed the diamond level and that was over here. This is where I should have been getting in at, but I'm not in at this level. And from here to here, I think we're possibly looking at maybe all throughout the week. So possibly, I don't know, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, it may do something. So I'm trying to figure out what I should do at this level. And so I'm not entirely sure. So if you have any thoughts, by all means drop it in the comment section, because like I say, we learn from each other. So if you're happy to share it, I'm happy to hear it. So that's all I've got for you guys for today in regards to the NAS, right? So I want to thank you for coming over to watch another episode. Much appreciated, okay? And don't forget to check out the other videos as well. And also as well, I did a backtesting video on Sunday in regards to the Lex Algo indicator, which was the trend lines with breaks, right? That indicator, I'm not gonna lie, it feels good. So I think if you guys have TradingView, you should definitely give that a play around. If you don't have TradingView, there is a link in the description. You can obviously hit that. It will help you set up the TradingView. It's completely free. I do use the paid version because the paid version is definitely worth it. But however, you can just get it for free, or you can just go into Google and just type in TradingView and then get it that way. Whichever way floats your boat, just as long as you get it. If you feel like you want to play around with the Lex Algo indicator, because you're going to need that to get that. That's just how that's going to work. So with all of that covered, my good peoples, thank you for coming over to watch another episode. I will see you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. So until then, this is Pips and Points signing out.